Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a haul, and this is actually from Foxy Fix. So I ordered one of the single notebook covers to go with my hobonichi, and I've been eyeing the coconut for a while. And so, you know, they're a little bit pricey and I thought, oh, I don't need it, blah blah blah, but you know what, I caved and I got it. So let's open this box. Look how cute the box is, you guys. So I already cheated because I'm a cheater, and I opened the box because I couldn't resist. So I didn't get much. I got this and some of the adhesive sleeve, but yeah, let's see. So when you open the box, you get some business cards, and then it looks like they gave me a swatch of the Southwestern Santa Fe. Excuse my nails, guys, it's hideous. And if you watch my Chanel video, I'm filming this one right after. So anyway, I got the adhesive pockets. I already put one in because I'm impatient like that. But yeah, I gotta set up two. And I chose the rose gold foiling. And first I was gonna go with like personalization of either my name or not my name, like initials or whatever, but I chose to go with the word because that happens to be my name. But look at the rose gold, isn't it pretty? And this white, it's so cute. So on the back it says it's embossed with Foxy Fix, which honestly I could go without, but hey. This is what it looks like, guys. Got the rose gold, it's so pretty. And when you open it up, see, I put this pocket in and I'm annoyed with myself because I went a little bit crooked. Can you see that? At least I didn't do it like majorly, but still. That's what you get, Faith, for being impatient. Anyway, got some extra cording here. But yeah, I wanted the white. It looks so pretty to me. So clean, so pretty. I'm gonna put my hobonichi in here, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. So that's it, guys. This was a small, short, quick haul, but I still thought I'd share it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below if you like the rose gold, or which one you have, or have you ever heard of Foxy Fix? Because I'll be honest, I didn't really hear of them because I'm in my Louis Vuitton MM and I've been in that for a while. Even though I do have other planners, that one is kind of like my go-to. But I also have the hobonichi and I don't have a cover for it. So I kind of like, you know, makeshifted my own like DIY cover or whatever. And then I saw these on Instagram and I thought, you know, those are kind of cute. Which led into this whole world of these TNs, and like I'm telling you, the planner world is crazy. But anyway, it was fun, and I actually got some stuff from Bunny Plans, and that's my first order from her, and she has such cute stuff. And if you guys want to see what I got, thumbs up this video, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.